Some people really love to care about almost everything, which can usually lead them to stress. Relieve yourself with stress by avoiding the 6 simple things that you shouldn't care about. Number 1. People who doesn't care about you. The more you care, the less they'll care. So just ignore them and focus on yourself. Number 2. Toxic people. Some people really complain about almost everything, and listening to them is really a waste of time. Just stay away from them and don't let their negative energy drain you. Number 3. Worrying about your age. It's never too late, nor too soon to start something new, or to pursue an old passion. Just do what you believe you must do and be happy. Number 4. Your past. Avoid relating your past to what may happen to your future. Your present may be the result of your past, but it is what you do in the present that will shape your future. Your now is the most important part of your life. That's why it is called present. Number 5. What others think of you. There will always be this one person who hates you for no reason. You cannot make everyone like you. Just do your best to what you think is right. Stop wasting your time and focus on your goal. And if you like this video, please follow us on Facebook and Instagram at InvestNow. And please share the love and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.